Did you ever consider that your next job could be as an AI ethics officer or a chatbot script writer? Yes, you heard it right. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the job market is not just evolving, it's transforming in ways that might feel like science fiction. Stay tuned as we unearth 5 unusual yet exciting AI-driven jobs that you, as Gen Z or a millennial, might be taking up sooner than you think. Before we dive in, let's prime your imagination with a few cool facts. According to Accenture, AI could boost labor productivity by up to 40% by 2025. Intriguing, right? Moreover, the Institute for the Future suggests that 85% of the jobs that today's students will be performing in 2030 are still under the veil of invention. So, brace yourself for a fascinating journey into the future job market. The world as we know it is changing, and so are the jobs in it. So, sit tight as we take a deep dive into 5 futuristic job roles driven by the marvel that is artificial intelligence. First on our list is the AI Ethics Officer. This might sound somewhat noble, right? Well, that's because it is. AI Ethics Officers ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly and ethically. They're the moral compass in a world where machines are learning to think for themselves. It's not just about knowing your tech, it's also about understanding ethics, law, and social responsibility. The key skills you'd need? A strong grounding in philosophy, sociology, law, along with technical expertise. As an AI ethics officer, your day might involve meetings with tech teams to discuss the ethical implications of their latest AI models. You'd be running assessments to ensure AI applications align with ethical guidelines and legal requirements. Your afternoons might be spent drafting policies and guidelines for ethical AI use. So, you're part philosopher, part technologist, and full-time AI guardian angel. Sounds challenging? Well, who said shaping the future was going to be easy? Next up, we have the Chatbot Script Writer. You know those helpful little bots that pop up on websites offering assistance? They don't just magic themselves up. They are designed and scripted by talented writers who know how to make AI sound, well, less robotic. This job needs a knack for creative writing, a dash of humor, and a deep understanding of how people converse. And of course, you gotta love tech. A day in the life of a chatbot script writer? You'd likely start your day reviewing user interactions with chatbots, identifying where the bots are nailing the conversation or causing user frustration. Your afternoons could involve brainstorming sessions, crafting witty, engaging scripts for new bots. You might also spend time working with the tech team, integrating your scripts into chatbot software. It's a mix of creativity, tech, and a lot of talking to bots. Ever thought of combining AI and detective work? Meet the AI data detective. These are the Sherlocks of the digital world, sifting through heaps of data to identify patterns and solve complex problems. If you're a fan of puzzles and have a keen eye for detail, this could be your future job. And yes, a good understanding of AI, data analysis, and a bit of statistics will definitely come in handy. As an AI data detective, your typical day might start with a hot cup of coffee and a heap of fresh data. You would be analyzing this data, spotting trends, making connections, and coming up with insightful findings. You might spend your afternoons presenting your discoveries to the team, helping them make data-driven decisions. Sometimes, you might be involved in tweaking AI algorithms based on your analysis. So it's like a Sherlock Holmes mystery, but with spreadsheets and databases. Don't worry, this isn't about some creepy robot uprising. Robot whisperers are professionals who train and monitor AI systems, much like a dog trainer, but with circuits and code. If you love both robots and problem-solving, this might be the perfect role for you. And if you're wondering about the skills you need, knowledge in robotics, programming, and a bit of patience for those stubborn AIs. A robot whisperer's day might involve troubleshooting malfunctioning robots, perhaps reprogramming them to respond better. You'd spend time designing training regimes for new robots and helping the existing ones to improve. Afternoons might find you researching the latest developments in robotics or brainstorming with your team on enhancing robotic performance. So it's kind of like being a pet trainer, but your pets are made of steel and circuits. Our last stop takes us into the realms of virtual reality. VR Immersion Counselors design and guide users through VR experiences for education, training, or therapy. If you're creative, tech-savvy, and empathetic, this could be your virtual calling. Key skills: knowledge of VR technology, user experience design, and a sprinkle of psychology. As a VR immersion counselor, you'd likely spend your mornings designing virtual environments that cater to your clients' needs, be it for education, therapy, or training. You might spend afternoons guiding users through their VR experiences, ensuring they're achieving their goals. You'd also review user feedback, making necessary adjustments to improve their VR experience. So imagine being a tour guide, but your tour is in a world that's virtually real. Let's shift gears a bit. We've talked about these fascinating new roles, but the question remains: why should you care? Why should you invest your time and energy to align your career with the ever-changing technology landscape? Well, the answer is simple yet profound. It's all about staying competitive, relevant, and yes, employable. Imagine this. What if you were trying to start a fire with 2 sticks, while the world around you was just using a microwave to cook dinner? Sounds like a Flintstones episode, doesn't it? That's exactly what happens if you don't keep up with technological advancements. You'll find yourself in a prehistoric career cave while your peers are zooming past in their virtual reality offices. In short, without keeping up with tech, you're basically a T-Rex trying to text with its tiny arms. It's laughable and, sadly, outdated. We are rapidly approaching what experts call a technological tipping point, a moment in time where technology becomes so advanced it dramatically reshapes our society and job markets. Now, we can't predict exactly when this tipping point will occur, but the signs are clear that it's coming. It might be in 10 years or even 5, but it's more important than ever to be prepared. Don't just take our word for it. Take Elon Musk, for instance. He started as a physicist and went on to create multiple revolutionary tech companies, including SpaceX and Tesla. What's his secret? He stays ahead of the curve, always learning and innovating. Or take the example of Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Alphabet, Google's parent company. Born and raised in India, he didn't have access to a computer until his university years. However, his fascination for technology and passion for learning pushed him to seize every opportunity that came his way. Today, he's leading one of the most innovative tech companies on the planet. He didn't just adapt to technological advances, he spearheaded them. His journey exemplifies the enormous potential that lies in embracing technology and continuously learning. He went from having no computer to basically running the internet. If that's not a technological glow-up, we don't know what is. To remain competitive and seize lucrative opportunities, it's crucial that you, our Gen Z and millennial viewers, don't just react to technological changes. No, that's not enough. You need to anticipate them. Learn about AI, explore virtual reality, dive into the blockchain. The future belongs to the curious, the brave, and the persistent. So take charge of your future. Invest in learning new skills, foster a growth mindset, and stay adaptable. The technological wave is coming. Either you can ride it and reach shores of opportunities, or you can watch it pass by. The choice is yours. That's all for now. We hope this inspires you to keep learning and growing. Remember, your future is being written by the choices you make today, so let's make them count. Please leave your comments below, share your thoughts, or ask any questions you might have. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on future job trends. Let's navigate the future together.
No way.